The next exercise we have is the Bosu abdominal crunch. So again, things to keep in mind, just good abdominal posturing and bracing, making sure that everything stays tight and nice and controlled. And again, we're gonna knock out as many of these in our 30-second window as we can, and we'll perform 3 sets. So things to keep in mind, up on the edge, having our hands back here, good abdominal bracing, and just a mini crunch all the way up and through, and back, up, and back. And again, we're gonna perform as many as we can in our 30 seconds, making sure we keep good form the whole way through.